10 most popular indoor trees. The fiddle leaf fig hails from the jungle, so a bright bathroom would be the ideal spot for your tree. However, a living room location will also work if you protect the tree from drafts and give it enough light and humidity. A summer vacation outdoors will do wonders for the fiddle leaf fig and many other indoor trees, so give it a temporary home as a patio plant for the month of June. The bewitching scent of an orange or lemon tree in bloom is superior to any room freshening spray you will ever encounter. Of all the popular indoor trees, citrus trees are the most demanding. They want more of everything: water, sunlight, humidity, and fertilizer. So buy a humidity tray, sneak it outdoors when you can, and start looking up lemon pound cake recipes. Also known as ficus trees, weeping figs are beloved for their rich green color and easy to care for way. A well-lit room goes a long way towards preventing the most common complaint about the weeping fig, which is leaf drop. A room with a large picture window, skylight, or south-facing window is most desirable. Plant your weeping fig in well-drained soil, and only water when the soil surface is dry. Native to India, rubber trees produce large, glossy leaves in a dark green hue that pops against pale paint colors. Like most tropical trees, rubber trees like moderate temperatures, a humid environment, and good air circulation without drafts. An optional step for the pampered plant is a monthly leaf wiping session with a damp cloth to remove dust. Fertilize your rubber tree every 2 weeks during periods of active growth to achieve maximum leaf size. Giant leaf lovers should look no further than an indoor banana tree to satisfy a desire for lush foliage. Some banana trees like the Cavendish produce fruit, while others like the Musa will not. When shopping for a banana tree, seek out dwarf cultivars only. Dwarf is a relative term in the banana world. Trees may still grow up to 10 feet tall. Filtered light and regular fertilizing help these fast-growing trees reach their potential. If leaves start to brown or curl, check for mites, which are notorious banana pests. Around the winter holidays, small potted Norfolk Island pine trees are available as indoor Christmas trees, but these long-lived indoor trees look great at any time of year. Although a slow-growing tree, be aware that these things can grow to 100 feet outdoors, and there is not a dwarf variety on the market. An indoor tree will grow about 2 feet each year, so plan and plant accordingly. Bright light, moderate watering, and an occasional misting will keep your pine happy. The umbrella tree is a fine choice for homes with little direct sunlight or north-facing windows. The trees require little care, but they are attractive to pests like mites and scale, so watch out for hitchhikers when you bring the tree indoors. Umbrella trees like constant moisture, but do not leave them sitting in a tray of stagnant water. Yucca trees, also called yucca stick or spineless yucca, offer a striking live accent in contemporary homes. The yucca tree features a solid trunk with leathery strap-like leaves emerging from the top. Groups of 3 in a pot with staggered heights look very attractive. Give your yucca tree as much sun as you are able to provide, and do not be afraid to cut the plant in half if it outgrows its space. The jade tree is probably the lowest care indoor tree on this list. The sculptural look of the succulent leaves and trunk combine with the feng shui vibe of this plant to keep it on the top 10 list for beginners. Jade trees make great bonsai specimens, just water it every few weeks and keep it in a sunny window. The spindly trunk of the money tree lends it to braiding, and that is how many of these trees are sold. The braids will grow with the tree over time, hardening and becoming woody as it matures. In spite of its Latin name, Pachira aquatica, the money tree does not like excessive watering and will rot if left in standing water. Allow the soil to dry between waterings and keep it in filtered bright light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.